Hi guys, welcome to Piment Pim channel. Today we will make cookies. I already put the ingredients detail in the comment section. Let's bake it. First, mix white and brown sugar together. Then add melted butter in and mix it all well. Followed by the beaten egg and vanilla extract. Then mix it all together nicely. Sift all the flour, salt, and baking soda together in the batter. Then add the chocolate chip, wrap it well, and put it in the fridge at least 1 hour. Here is the cookie dough, so I will shape the cookie around 45 grams each, and I will get around 7 cookies. You put the cookie on the baking tray, give it some space because the cookie will expand when it's baked. It's baking time, so I will bake around 190 Celsius degree, around 10 to 15 minutes, depends on your oven and the size of the cookie. And for my oven, I will go for 12 minutes. The cookies are ready. I will bang the cookie tray a few times because I believe it helps the cookie set faster. Here you go, the soft and chewy chocolate chip cookie. Hope you like the recipe and enjoy baking. For now, bye!